About this item: universal compatibility. 2.5mm thin jack connector can easily plug into your Bose 700/QC35II/QC35/QC25 noise cancelling over-ear headphones, JBL E45BT/E55BT/E65BT/NC/750NC/Duet BT/Duet NC, Live 400BT/Live 500BT/Live 650BT/NC, AKG Y55BT/Y55/Y50/Y40/Y40 headphones. Please check more compatible model information on bellowing product description. Superior sound quality, high purify oxygen-free copper and 24K gold connectors ensure better audio transmission so that you can enjoy the original, pure, and natural sound and music. Durable design, 135 degrees angle on the 3.5mm audio jack connector reduces tear and wear. The nylon braided design provides you with good flexibility and durability while preventing the cable from becoming tangled. Convenient storage, included a reusable Velcro strap keeps your headphone replacement cable well organized and tidy in place. Tangle-free design makes it easy to use and store, also easy to carry around. What you get: 1x nylon braided 2